Alaikum once again, friends. Hope you're doing well. Okay, today the strategy I brought with some kind of moving averages and ribbon strategy, moving average ribbon strategy, and the MACD DEMA indicators, which is available on the trading view. As you know about, the trading view is the free charting solution where you can set up your chart with the different indicators. So in this strategy I'm gonna tell you about it's a very easy, and again it's a kind of a crossing over strategy, but there's some criteria you have to find out and then you can take your trade on it. Okay, it's going to be very simple and easy, but you have to stick with the rules as always I show and I tell in my previous videos. Okay, yeah, so it's a very simple and easy strategy, and it's very profitable. It might change your trading career, or you can say consistently you can take a profit from the forex market, and even you can apply this one on the stocks markets as well. Okay, so the strategy is very simple. Let's get to the indicators. How we're going to set up our all indicators. First we'll do the bring the indicators on our chart, and after that we will do some changes in our indicators, which gonna help us out to find easy crossover or the signals. Okay, so where we can take a trade without any hesitations. Okay, so guys, take a look over here. I'm gonna go again to the this F sign where you can see where we bring our indicators, and the first indicator is note down with you. It's a moving average. Okay, here you can see it's I already put on my favorites, the yellow star. You can see the moving average ribbon by this one. Okay, you can see the Jacob almost. Okay, click on this one. So when you click on this moving average ribbon, some things you will see like this one, as it's look a little bit very noisy on your eyes with the different a lot of moving averages, but it is a very helpful that shows you the strength of the trend, how big strength or how strong strength they have in their trend. As you can see, the market keep going down here, but still see it's a pullback to the bullish momentum you can see here. But the moving averages, the ribbon, you can see it's all red colors. Okay, so that's mean you still not have a signals to take the trade by direction. Okay, so what you have to do is just stick with the ribbons. Okay, and there's another indicator we're going to set up on our chart, and then we'll do some changes. So let's bring another indicator now. Okay, the another indicator, it's a very well-known indicators, everybody knows about this one, but you need to have some, you need to know how to use these indicators and how you do changes the inputs of the indicator, so it's give you the accurate and good signals on the right time. It depends on their like breakouts, or you can say the support and resistance. So in these areas you're gonna find your entries, which is very easy. You don't have to get panic with that. Okay, so let's bring that one, the MACD and DEMA, DE A. You can see MACD DEMA, and you click on the star to bring it on your favorites and click on the indicators. Okay, and it just right down here. Okay, that's very easy and simple. Okay, so you don't have to worry about your trade directions. I'm going to show you how to do the changes. So let's get to the changes now, how we do the changes, and then in the last I'll tell you how to use these indicators. Okay, that's very important to I mean the indicators you should use with the specific way where you can take your right direction trades. Okay, so let's get to the again to the setup of this you don't have to change anything in the moving average ribbon. You can see here you don't have to change anything on it. Leave it as it is, okay, but you have to change the DEMA setup here, okay, and it's very simple and easy, not complicated. You can see here the 12, okay, you can see the code, the DEMA code. You have to change it to the 10 only, okay, and then the 26, okay, the 26 you have to, where is it? Oh, that's always happening with me. The 26 you have to bring it to 25, okay, and not done yet, okay, just hold on. So there's you have to do is this thing, and after what you have to go to the style and remove this one, okay, remove the click on this one, and the rest of colors as it is, just leave it. But the background, if you want to remove the background, just remove the background, okay, and done. Okay, where you can see here now, it's very easy and simple. We already removed some other things from the indicators, okay, but there's a one only thing I just want you to bring it back on your setup. That is a very simple thing which gonna help you a lot with this thing and give you the right direction. That is, go back to the indicators, okay, and plot these things. The rest of inputs will be the same, but bring this one on back, because it's gonna give us the right time to enter into the trade. You can see the histogram line of the MACD, the red and green bars, which gonna show us the momentum where it start from, okay. So let's get to the strategy. I'll explain now how to take the trades on this one. As you can see here in this area, okay, it's not plain anything here on this chart. Everything you will see in front of your eyes, and I'm going to explain to you. So here you find the right momentum in the ribbons, okay. You can see here in this area you find some bearish momentum. You can see the red lines, okay, you find here. So what you have to do is, whenever you find the ribbon color get changed to the red, and then you see here down in the MACD DEMA, you see there's the red bars to the downside, okay, the bearish bars, okay, and you see already that the moving averages of the MACD is cross down below the 0, and you can see over here, and these criteria, like one, the red, okay, the second, the red down here, and the third, the blue line is already crossed in this candle, okay. So take the sell position. As you can see, your stop loss is going to be the previous high, okay, and this is your sell position, okay. So when you're going to take 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, it's a scalping strategy. Best reward ratio, you can have it. If you're using on the smaller time frame, it's going to be like a scalping, but if you want to use a larger time frame, it can be long trades, or like swing trade as well, you can call it, okay. So here again we gonna see, whenever the ribbon of the moving averages become green, we don't have to take the trades, okay. Just instead, we don't have to take the trades, we have to wait for these bars. You can see here these bars are still red, so we're not going to take the trade. What we have to do is we just wait for the green bars. So the green bars appear here, which gonna show us the bullish momentum, okay. And you see already the moving averages of the MACD cross over on the 0 line up, you can see here, and from here we can take the trades. This is our buy candle, okay, and the stop loss is just below the previous here, okay. And you can see here how the trade goes in our right direction. You can see all over here, until you can stay in the trade until you see the moving averages line. In the starting, I told you about this one, as it has like the gap between these lines and green, so you have to keep in the trade. You still keep this trade, and it's, see, the lines are become more wide, and it's keep going up, as you can see here. Okay, so it depends on 1 to 2, 1 to 5, 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, but the best scalping method is 1 to 2, 1 to 3, and you can take exit from your trade. It's a very simple and easy. Okay, it's not set that I didn't set the chart yet. We can go back even here, we can go back even here, so you don't have to think and hesitate to take your trades. As you can see, the bar here is the red, okay, the bearish momentum, and here we see already the blue is under the red, okay, the moving average, and the red bars appears here. Okay, so we take the trade in these candles. Okay, so once you take the trade, short your position, and then you can see here, even if the market little bit taking a pullback like in these areas, but you have to take a look here, even if it's green but the lines are red, even if it's above the red line, the blue one, the moving average, but the bars are the red, so the criteria are not met yet, so we not gonna buy our trade, we keep going sell. Okay, here you can see, here you can see, and in this area, if you see, the bars become green in this area, the moving averages ribbon become this area. Okay, and the bars here, if you see in this area, and it's already up here, but you can see the small green bars, the small green bars is showing losing their momentum. You can see the high, low, and low and low. Yeah, so when if you see in this candle in this area, when you see the bars are losing their momentum, yeah, that's mean that's trade likely gonna reverse again back in the bearish territory. Okay, so what you have to, don't take this trade because the bars are losing their momentum. Okay, and take a look here what happened. Yeah, see, take a look here, it's keep going down again. So this is the only thing you need to know, where is our support and resistance. So if you keep this support and resistance in your mind, and if you find this kind of situation, then this is the only place you have to take care of. Okay, the rest of strategy is gonna be 95% accurately working. Okay, let's go back a little bit to give you one more example. Examples everywhere you find on your chart, wherever you go and find this setup. Okay, so what we have to do is take a look here. Okay, it's become, from here it's become green. Yeah, and we see here the moving averages already cross above. Excuse me guys, the moving averages is already above the, yeah, above the what is it called, the histogram, and it's a green momentum up here in this area. In this area you can see, and if you take the trade, so it's a little bit pullback, but your previous low is here, your stop loss, and it's gonna keep going up again. You can see here it's a winning trade. So that's how you can easily take these trades. And take a look here again, the bearish, the short position here become red, here is the red, and it's under the blue one. Okay, so we take the trade for sale, and it goes all the way down here. You can see, don't need to be panic when you're taking the trades. You have to just stick with the rules and things, not jump everywhere in the market. Even here you can see, not jump everywhere in the market. Very patiently wait for your setup, and then you take your trades. Okay, so these are the moves. As you can see here, if you're taking a trade and you see the bars are red, you can see that's going to be not a good decision. Why is that? It's a very good example. If you take a trade in this candle, it hit, your stop loss is here, it hit your stop loss. So simple and easy. You can see if it's red, yeah, and the blue is under the red, the moving average, but the ribbon shows green, that's mean the market can take a bit pullback to the bearish side, and then the market rise up. So what you have to do is wait for it, let the bars over on it, and green. So here this area we have the bar green. Okay, and the ribbon is green, okay, and the blue is already crossed, give us the signal, the buy one. So from this area, complete signals are the buy. So the previous stop loss, and here's your trade. You can see, guys. Okay, so that's how you take your trade and enjoy your profit. Hope you like the strategy. Do let me know on comments. Okay, make sure smash that like button and share with your friends, and do let me know on comments if there is any thing you're facing in the strategy. Okay, and that's all. Stick with the rules. Okay, guys, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, and hopefully see you again with your new good strategy. Thank you very much. Have a good day.